So in this session, like in the quiz session, like Harry is the one who is going to answer for the first question. Since he has raised his hands, I'm going to ask you a very simple question. Name the three service which we are going to deal with. Name of the company. I'm asking the name of the company of the three service which we are going to deal with.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Short direct,
Okay.
CIP internet,
Okay.
Oman
Okay. So Short Direct deals with.
television services,
Umatero deals with.
landline, home phone,
Okay. CAK Internet deals with
internet.
internet. Okay. Always use home phone. Okay. Because Canadian people they use as home phone. Very good. Give them a good applause. Guys are in anger on you, Harry. They are, they are, giving applause in a different way. I can differentiate the sound actually. Okay. This is a question you are answering, shameless balloon. They are thinking these things in their mind. I read their mind. Okay. Fine. Let us give them tough now. Okay. Fine. So who is the next one who is going to raise their hands? Their hand now. Vijay, okay, next one is Vijay. Okay, fine. The second question is for Vijay. Okay. Let me choose some difficult question for Vijay. Okay. Vijay, do you know the pricing details and all? Okay. Tell me the pricing details for television.
For the first month, it is $44.99 a month. It is 3 months.
Okay.
It is for 90 channels, and
Okay.
the price will be till 3 months, and then it will be $76 forever. Sir. The price will not hike later.
Okay. So you explained it correctly, but now I'm going to ask you a question. That is the question for you. Okay. What you said is right. Okay. I'm asking you. You have to answer immediately. That is what the task is. Okay. What is the pricing for me on the 5th month?
It will be $76.
Sorry?
It will be $76.
$76. $76.99, right?
No, sir, $76.
Just $76.
Yes, sir.
Fine, very good. Give him a good applause, guys. Superb. Customer will suddenly, what happens after 6 months? They will ask suddenly. You should not tell the first set of pricing suddenly. Okay? So you have to be very careful. Very good, Vijay. Fine. The next one, please raise your hands. Anyone? Yeah. Guys, just coordinate among yourself and any one of you can raise. There is a game, right? Hitting on the head. There will be a game, right? In mobile phones, under 9 holes will be there. Some small bug or something will come out. We'll be tapping on that, right? Likewise, people are just playing that game. Fine. So now no one is raising their hand. Who is that? Who is going to answer? Anyone, please. No, yeah, you got the question. Yeah, he. What is your name? Pseudo name? Sam, right? Yeah, Sam. Good, Sam. Let us see how quality answer I'm getting from Sam. Okay, Sam, I'm the customer and you have made a sale to me. Okay, at last I'm asking you between what time you can install the service on Saturday.
I'm sorry for that, sir. Our service is only 3 days from Monday to Friday.
Okay, so if it is on Friday, by between what time you guys can install the service?
Yes, sir. It will be 11 to 5, sir.
Very good, Kaya. Can you give him a big applause? Very good, very good. Okay, who is the next one? Just turn around. Ah, yeah, he. First row. What is your pseudonym? Sorry?
Steve Rogers.
Steve Rogers. Okay. Hey, you know, I like that character very much. You know, I feel that character as myself, not in the shoot actually, but here in the first part in Captain America, in the first war he will be getting, someone will beat him like anything, but he will come back again for fighting, right? I because of that only I like that character, not for the shoot the latest things and all. Because of that coming back again and again, whatever he knows very well he cannot win that guy, but he comes back again, right? Because of that, I if I want to call in a different name, I will call in this way only. Okay, fine, good. Let me choose a question for you. Fine. It is not in the PowerPoint, a general question for you. Okay. Yeah, tough situation, not a tough situation, a good situation for Captain America, Steve Rogers. Fine. Are you from India?
No.
Then?
Actually, I am from
Madagascar? Are you from Japan? Fine, I will tell you the answer. Everyone listen. Maybe in the previous sessions, maybe I would have said this. Maybe in a call flow, I would have said this, I guess. But otherwise, if it is not said, I will tell you a suggestion here. Maybe you might remember this. Okay. If someone is asking, are you an Indian? You have to tell them, yes, are you from India? If they are telling, are you from India? You have to answer in this way. I am an Indian working for this process as a part-time agent. Okay. Working as a call center agent in this company as a part-time agent, and I'm doing my part-time studies in some university you have to name. Okay, you can mention some university. You can just Google it and you can mention some university. Okay, you are doing a part-time studies there in the city, and you are just guys, you can you will get the recording in the evening time. Okay, watch the video and get the recording. I will just repeat it once again for you. Okay, yeah, you can write it down if you want. Yeah, I'm just sorry. I'm an Indian working for this process as a part-time agent. I'm an Indian working for this process as a part-time agent. And I'm doing my part-time studies in. You can leave a space there. You can just fill up some university. You can Google it and you can fill up some name and university. Okay. Here we have different universities, right? Likewise, you can just get some name. Okay. Oxford University. Likewise, you just name some famous university. Okay, that should be inside Ontario. Not inside Canada. Okay, almost it will be there in all the places, but still I'm telling. Definitely search in Google. That university should be in Ontario. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Good. So because of Steve Rogers, we have learned some new thing. Steve Rogers, we have made other ways to learn something new. That is what the approach of Steve Rogers, right? Yeah. We won't take this as a we don't know the answer. We have made other ways to learn this answer. Okay. Yeah. High five for you. Yes. For Steve Rogers, yes. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So who is the next one? Who is ready to answer? Raise any one of you, please. Any one of you with your name, guys. Name, please.
Jesse Johnson.
Steve?
Jesse Johnson.
Justin. Okay, Justin, you can sit down, please.
Jesse Johnson.
Okay, leave out the last name. The first name is Justin, right?
No,
Jeffy.
yes, sir.
Yeah, I suggest you to change the name. Okay. Jeffy means, yeah. I don't know. The name is good actually. It is not the commonly used name among the telecallers. Okay. But why don't we use that name? You can use it. Jeffy means like every time the pronunciation, in every call you have to use this name. Jeffy, Jeffy, Jeffy. Like this, your rig will be used for this. Okay, while pronouncing this, end of the day you will get tired. Okay, don't use the name which is having R. Rambo. Okay. Warner. Okay, don't use these kind of names. This will, you will lose energy end of the day. Okay, after 2 hours you will lose energy because in every call you will be using your name, right? Use simple name, for example, Sam. Okay, likewise you can use some simple names that will be good for you. Fine. Okay, Jeffy, if you like, you can use it, or otherwise you can, if you are willing to change, you can change it. Okay, yeah. For the question for Jeffy is. Okay, there is a guide information, right? For TV channels, there is a guide information, right? What are the channels that can be viewed in the next few days? So what is that? How many days?
14 days.
14 days. Good. Give him a good applause. Jeffy, you are seeing it and answering, or you know this? Sorry. Okay, then you are, this applause is for you only. Yeah, good. Sit down please, Jeffy.
Sir,
A question or doubt?
how, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
You just suggest that I'm working in part-time as an Indian here and doing my studies also, right, sir?
I'm in India.
Yeah, for studies only.
But we changed our names, sir. Like, we are not changed to be Indian, right? We have changed it.
Sorry?
We changed. Sir, we are with our student names, no, sir.
Yeah.
And we are saying that we are Indians.
I know, why Indian, you don't have any friend in the name of Sam or otherwise John. Any Christian name is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you tell them as you are from you are studying in Canada, when you are telling that why don't you tell this name? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are speaking in the name of I am Narendra Kumar. I'm studying in working as a part-time. I'm doing a part-time job here. That is also good only. But customer won't believe. Okay, they will be thinking, okay, this is not the name we have never heard. Okay, they won't believe you. So that is the reason we are using this pseudonym. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't worry on that. They because they are having those kind of names, right? So they won't get that kind of doubt. Only we will get this kind of doubt. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. That is a good question. Yes, Vijay.
Sir, we are today shipping and billing address both in the while we are moving the package or we are today only the house address, sir?
Like I can hear partly by a portion of your question. Like see shipping and
Billing, sir.
sorry.
Sir, shipping and billing address.
Shipping address and billing address.
That already we will be having it on the screen. Okay. Both are the same. Shipping and billing address are the same. Yeah. Yes. Guys, don't worry. You will be having a doubt session. We will be sitting in a group. I said right. The case study will be there. At that time, it will be continued as a doubt session also. Don't worry. I will clear out all your doubts. Let us continue the quiz session now. The next one can raise your hand now. Yes, name please, name. Because I couldn't see you. Name. Max, okay Max. For Max, the question is, the customer is asking, you said you can, I can connect with the 3 of my smartphones with the UMA mobile app. Okay. But how much I have to pay for connecting for the 4th smartphone with the UMA mobile app?
It's absolutely free, sir. You can connect up to 5 mobiles to one Uma connection.
Okay, but how much I have to pay?
No, sir, it's free.
So, no, but
Sir, are you asking for Uma subscription?
okay, sorry.
Are you asking for Uma subscription?
For all the things, for Uma subscription and Uma smartphone app and all,
Yes, sir. You have to pay $14 for a month.
$14 for Uma mobile app, right?
No, sir, Uma subscription.
Uma subscription. So what I have to pay for Uma mobile app?
Yes, sir. We are providing Uma mobile app for free.
Oh, it is for free. That's great news, guys. Okay, that sounds interesting. Okay, good, very good. Kindly give him a good applause. Fine, good. This is how we have to answer. Once they ask how much, you can tell them, you will be paying only monthly subscription alone for the service. Okay, where you can make unlimited calls all over Canada, US and Mexico, and in addition we are giving Uma mobile app connectivity for free. You don't need to pay even a single penny for this. Okay, penny means like cents or something like that. You don't need to pay anything for this. Okay, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Good, okay. Fine. Oh, who is the next one who is ready for answering? Fine, yes, Akshay, yeah. Akshay, I have a tough question for you, Akshay. Okay. I feel that is tough for you. Okay. You prove that I'm wrong. Okay. Fine. There is a calling feature. Okay. There is a calling feature where you won't miss any calls. Okay. You won't miss any calls of the landline even if the customer is out of the house. They can receive it in their mobile. What is the name of that call? Sorry, what is the name of that calling feature? No, Uma mobile app, that is because of that facility we can receive the calls to the smartphones. That is a facility. There is a name for this calling feature.
Answering machine, sir.
Sorry?
Answering machine.
No, not answering machine. Answering machine is the call will be missed actually. You cannot speak right. The customer will activate it. You can name, don't think that as calling feature. In the last technical advantage, okay. In the last, wait. I will give the next chance. Okay. You don't need to think this is a calling feature also. This is a facility also. You can think in this way. It is a facility. In the last technical advantage of the PowerPoint, okay. We have seen this. Even I can read out that explanation. The app is linked to your Uma mobile account, so you are up and running 24/7. 24/7, you will be getting the calls without missing the call, even when you are outside through your home phone. When someone is calling to the landline, and there is a small name for a small heading for that. Okay, you can choose someone actually. Okay, before I choose Steve. Okay. You can choose someone, let us see whether they are answering. But in the other than Steve, you can choose someone who is in the front row. And not Steve. Steve will be given the second chance. Now Akshay will choose someone in the first row. Okay, who knows the answer? Raise your hands. Just raise your hands. Actually, you can sit. You can sit down. Let us see how many people are raising hands. 2, 3. 3 guys are raising their hands. Okay, Steve, you can just choose any one of those 2 guys. Because I found out you know the answer, so I am giving you a chance for you. Fine. Who is it? Name?
Sam, sir.
Sam. Yeah, Sam. Yes, Sam.
Sir, call forwarding.
No, that is wrong answer. Not call forwarding. You can use. That is correct only. That is correct. I'm sorry. That is call forwarding. Okay, that is correct. That is calling feature. Okay, but usually in technical advantage we have seen something, a heading for that. Who knows that one? Kindly give Sam a good applause. That is correct answer only. In calling feature, that is call forwarding only. Because I have changed the question, right? For the never miss a call. You got it right? never miss a call. You can see, I guess like no one is seeing the YouTube video after the session. Okay, definitely it won't. We are 10 days training session. We are doing it in 1 week. Okay, or less than 5 days or 7 days. Okay, what is the session day today? 6th or 5th? 6th session or 5th session we are seeing today? 5th, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, usually for the telecommunication for three companies, there will be a 15 days of training. First 15 days will be on training. Okay, but we are doing it in a week. Okay, we can do it in a week also. Okay, but if you are following the words, whatever I'm telling, like getting the address immediately, or otherwise watching the YouTube video once again. Okay, today, Vijay, you can take this as your responsibility, Vijay. Okay, everyone should see the YouTube video after they go to their house. Connecting the headphones. I have mentioned this. Connecting your headphones. Don't see otherwise again the same session will happen for you. If you are connecting your headphones, you will forget the whole world and you will be concentrating on the tone alone. Okay, you don't see the video also. Just listen to the tone. That is enough. Okay, it will register in your mind. Okay, and you will automatically, you will forget about the script and rebuttals. You will speak the call like anything. Okay, Vijay, can you take the responsibility? Like everyone should watch the video, not in office, after they move to their house. Okay. Vijay, you can hear me, right? I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir, sure.
Fine. Yeah, it is your responsibility, and next day once they enter the office, you can ask them a question. Have you watched the video? Okay, I can find it out, guys. I know how many people are watching, and I know I have the track record. My admin is there. They will find out. Like 10 people are there. 10 people has watched this video. Likewise, they will report me. Whatever the session I'm giving, I will get the acknowledgement through. If it is YouTube video only, I have to get the confirmation there. Otherwise, I asked you to send the document, but I have never got the document from your side. Yesterday, right? Yeah. So it is your duty. It should reach me, right? Once you enter the office, ask your guy, Bhushan, or someone is taking care of you, right? Ask that brother, sir, whether you have sent it to him, so that we will, I will give you some suggestions, right? So it is your duty. What is communication? When it is getting end, that is communication. Okay. If I'm telling something to you, you are doing it, and it is not reaching to me. That is of no use, guys. Okay. So ask them to send it today itself after this session immediately. Okay. I might be seeing today night or tomorrow also. You don't bother about that one. Okay. But it is your duty. It is already 24 hours late. Send it as quick as possible today. Okay. You have prepared it, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine then. So after this session you can send it so that I will be having enough time to clean that data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. So who is the next one who wants the next question? Yes, middle, behind. Yeah, what is your name? Just say with your name, please.
James.
Sorry?
James.
Pseudonym.
Yes, sir. James.
James. Okay. Okay, fine. Sit down, James, please. James. Vijay will ask you a question for James. Vijay, you can use the PowerPoint if you want. The PowerPoint script or print out.
Who are the competitors for Indian telecom service?
Yeah.
Competitors are best.
Who are all the competitors for? Fine. You can say at least 4 competitors. Okay. Bell Canada, correct. Rogers. Telus. Any one another.
Connect.
Sorry. Connect.
Yes, it connects.
Okay, that connect telecom services there, right? Okay, fine, fine, good. Can you give him a good applause? Very good, fine. So next one, yeah, your name? Sorry, Justin. Justin, right? Fine, okay, Justin. For Justin, Steve will ask a question. Steve, you can use the PowerPoint.
Uh, can you tell me the benefits of short direct?
Fine.
So free shipping. I
Wrong. Sure, you're telling about short direct, right? You're asking about short direct, right, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, short direct. What is there yesterday? That is the reason I'm telling. Watch YouTube video once again. Just hear whatever I have said on the script yesterday. You can find out yesterday YouTube. If you would have watched, you would have found out. For short direct, I have mentioned there is no shipping charges because the technicians, they are going to directly carry the dish antenna, okay, and the setup box also. I have mentioned this, right? Do you remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday it has been done. Vijay, do you understand what is the importance of hearing the YouTube video once again after this session?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yeah, guys, Vijay will be really strict on this. Okay, if you don't watch the video, don't come to office tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
definitely if you don't watch the video, don't come to office tomorrow. Let Bhushan take a new team. Okay, that is the efforts he has to make. But people who don't watch the video, don't come to office. It is of no use. I don't want to shout. I don't want to use my energy again and again. Okay, if you are not having enough idea, definitely you cannot dial to this process. Okay, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I request you to watch the video because in this session I'm just speaking from my side. Okay. But when you listen it again, you can understand. Okay, this is what explained in the morning session. Okay. If you are seeing it tomorrow, it won't be good. You have to see it on the same day itself. Only then you can catch up the point. You can register it in your mind. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. Yeah, for Justin, I will the same question. Justin, for short direct, you can say other benefits, but this is not the benefit actually, because the technician will directly walk to their house and they will install the services for them. So you can tell other benefits to the other benefits which is related to the short direct. Yeah, continue.
No contract.
No contract. Very good.
High definition personal video.
High definition personal video recorder. What is that? High definition personal video recorder is?
Is free, sir. Absolutely free.
Yeah, that is free. Yes, that is what the benefit is. It is free. Yeah, good.
Which can record 300 hours of HD channels.
Okay, very good. High definition. Use high definition. Okay, yeah.
And
Okay.
which can record 300 hours of HD channels.
Hey, to be frank, the voice was breaking. Okay, and after that also he is telling the same thing. Again, the voice was breaking. I think it is the third time he is telling that one, right? Okay, I was thinking, sorry. I was thinking, 3 times he is telling. Like, yeah, go to the next one. Fine. Any other point?
Free installation, sir.
Free installation, very good. That is enough. Good. Can you give him a good applause? Good. Where is Max? Yeah, Max. Max, you can ask a question, and you can choose any one guy. Okay. You can you can choose one guy first. Then you can ask a question. Who is it? Name? Sorry? Kevin, right? Sorry, I couldn't hear. Sorry? Amy Jackson. Hey guys, speak. One guy can tell it. Yeah. David. Yeah, fine. I got it. David. Guys, you have to pronounce your name with energy, guys. Only then I can hear right. Fine. David. Good. And I was thinking Amy Jackson. Amy Jackson is not. She's an actress. Right? Yeah, fine. So David. Yes, Max. You can ask the question with David.
If the customer says he don't know his home phone account number, how do we suggest him?
Sorry, what is the question? If the customer is telling?
If the customer doesn't know his home phone account number.
Very good. Good question. Yes. Yes, Max. You can sit down. Yeah.
What to suggest? The previous question.
Who said that one? Someone is telling. I can hear that answer also. Lift him and hang him in the fan. Who is that guy? Ask him to stand. I want to see his face. Who answered for this question? Sorry, I don't see him. Like, who is that? Sorry? Steve, you tell me, because always Steve says the truth, right? Even Steve, like Hulk, who is that? Thanos. Is there any Thanos in your center who speaks only truth? No Thanos, bad. No, I'm asking who is the guy who answered for this before David answers. Because
I got answer from backside, sir.
okay, because they will be, if you are telling that name, we are going to give him a task like dancing or singing a song likewise. Okay. Yeah, you can tell who is that. Two guys. Two names, very good. Yes, Steve. One is Vijay. The second one is. Sorry?
Both.
One is Vijay, the second one is?
The person who told answer was Srinivasan.
Vijay and Srinivasan.
Okay. Both of them. Okay, both of them. Okay, both of them. They have to dance or sing a song. David, you can sit down, please. David, you can sit down. David, you can sit down. Okay. Steve, ask them to stand and ask them to sing a song. Sing a song or dance or whatever.
Sir, one will sing a song and another will dance.
Very good, very good. Yes. People who don't know how to dance, ask them to dance. Okay, only then it will be funny. Sorry? Okay, end of the session we can conduct that one, okay? Fine. So now, who is the next one who is ready to answer for this? Sorry, David, you got the answer, David, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer?
The previous invoice.
From the previous invoice, the customer has to look into it and they have to answer for that question. I mean the account number, the phone account number. Okay, fine, good. Sit down, David. If they are not answering, do you know this answer? Speak the truth.
Yes, sir, I am.
Very good. Okay, fine. I believe you. Yeah. Next one, please. Who is that? Yeah. Name? Sorry? Steve, what is his name? Sam. Already Sam is there, right? You can use one name.
Thomas.
Sorry?
Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, good. Okay, for Thomas, the question is.
Can I ask, sir?
Yeah, you can ask.
What is the speed of internet?
Good.
15 Mbps.
15 Mbps is for the download. Sorry, what he said? What he said?
Internet speed, sir.
Yeah, no. What is the answer? He said
15.
15 is correct, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, 15 Mbps is for the download. Okay. What is the upload speed?
15 to 10.
15 to 10, not 15 to 10. 15 is download speed. 15 is download speed. 10 is upload speed. Okay. If the customer is asking what is the upload speed, you can tell them 10 Mbps is upload speed. Okay, 15 for the download and 10 for the upload. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is not 15 to 10. It is 15 Mbps for the download speed and 10 Mbps for the upload speed. Unless otherwise, if the customer is asking about upload, we don't need to speak about that one. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Who is pending with the questions? Prasanna. Fine. For Prasanna, yeah, you can ask a question now. Yeah.
Sir, what is the representation of postal code, sir?
Hey, come on. I wanted to ask the same question previously to that guy, Thomas, actually. But since Steve asked, I left it. Yeah, fine, good. That is easy question only. Fine. He is helping his friend. Okay, fine. Okay, tell me a postal code now.
G7G6F8.
Come again.
G7G2F8.
Yes. Good, very good. Kindly give him a good applause. Yeah, and kindly give a good applause for Thomas also. He has answered correctly. I won't miss anything, guys. Okay, so likewise you guys also don't miss anything. Okay, fine. So who is pending? Is there anyone pending? Good, guys. I'm happy with this quiz session. Everyone answered nearly correct answers. Fine. Okay, I suggest you. I'm not requesting you now. Okay, it is the duty. You have to watch the YouTube video completely. Don't skip it. Okay, skipping is not. Why don't you spend some time on this, guys? It is for you. Okay. Spend time once you reach your home. Relax for some time. Okay, because from morning to evening you are here. Relax for some time. Have something for your energy. Okay, just go to your room or sit in a separate place. Use your headphones. I suggest you to use your headphones. Okay, so that you will not get interrupted. Okay, I am not asking you to see the complete video. Okay, you might get a message or call. Okay, but use a pen and paper to note down the points. I have said you right. You are telling you did not see the video, but you said you have prepared the document. I don't know how. Okay, I have asked you prepare a document by seeing the video individually. And fine, let us do one thing. See the video, guys. Individually prepare a note. Okay, individually prepare a Word document. Okay, not PowerPoint at all, just a Word document. Okay. Otherwise, you can use your mobile also. If you don't have a computer in your house, you can use your mobile notepad. You can type in a short way. You can type, and you can submit all those things after coming to office. Use the computer and submit it in a Word document. Okay, to Vijay. Okay, you got it right.
Yes, sir.
But everyone should present a Word document individually with your names. Okay. Yeah, this has to be done before we start the session tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are not sending it before 11 a.m. tomorrow, I'll be in holiday for your center alone. Okay. You got it right? Yeah. Fine. And today you have prepared something, right? I mean, today ask Bhushan or the other friend to send the document also after this session. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm repeating it again and again because you should do it on time. Only then the process will go in a good way for you. Okay. Always short direct will be the millionaire. Okay. Uma Tello, they will earn good. CAK will earn good. How you will earn? only if you are making sales. Otherwise, you will get nothing. Okay. To earn good money, to earn good sales, what you need is you have to get updates on everything. You have to get thorough in every point, okay, which we are discussing, and everything should be registered in your mind, and you have to implement on call in a proper way. Okay, fine, good guys. So let us move on to the task part, guys. Yeah, tell me. You want to say something? Yeah.
So we have that what document with our pseudonyms or with the presentation.
You are telling in the document which you are going to submit to Vijay. In that you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in that first you type your name, your real name, okay, your real full name, have a hyphen or bracket, okay, within bracket you can type your pseudonym with first and last name, okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
when you are sending something to me, I can suggest you, you don't use this name, you can use this name, okay, likewise, okay,
Yes, sir.
because name also matters, guys, okay, yeah. Fine. Let us move on to the task part, guys. Yes, Steve, you can conduct this task session. Like for Vijay and the other one, Manoj, right? No, sorry, not Manoj. Hey, Vijay is running, catch him.
It was the only one person who answered for that. It was Srinivas, not me.
Oh, he is not. Steve, come on. He is telling he is not the one.
I want suggestion, sir.
Yes. Oh, okay. Let us do one thing. Guys, I have a suggestion. Okay. Today, who is that? The other one next to Vijay. Who is that? Shiva. Yeah, Shiva is going to do the task for today. Okay. Vijay, if you want Vijay to do the task after seeing the YouTube video, you have to present the Word document, right? While you are presenting, Vijay should believe that you guys has watched the video and you have presented it. Instead of seeing the PowerPoint, you have to see the YouTube video and you have to do it. If Vijay is giving the proper comment, yes sir, they have done it in a proper way. If you are telling Bhushan in that way, at that time, okay, you can make Vijay to do the task tomorrow. Otherwise, Vijay will not do this. Okay, it is in your hands, guys. That is tomorrow. Let us speak that tomorrow. Ask him to do the task. The other one. Yes.
Sir, that document we have to present it directly or we should send it to Bhushan, sir?
Whatever you can do, but it should reach me, and it is your responsibility that it has to reach my Skype ID. That you can remember Bhushan. Okay. You need to say a word, sir. Naren asked this PowerPoint or Word document as quick as possible so that he will be having enough time to clean it, and I can send it back to you. I can correct it. Whatever the mistakes are there, I can correct it and I can send it to you again. Okay. Fine, guys. So let us move on to the task. The session is over. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Session is over, but the task is there. Yeah.
Yes,
Not Vijay. Not Vijay. The other one. Yeah, you guys can just move a little. Yeah, he can go. Steve, who is sitting near to you? What is the pseudonym? I forgot. Yeah, you. We can sit near him. Like I forgot the name. I'm sorry. Yeah, you go this side to your left side, to your right side. Yes, please. Fine. Today only one guy is going to do the session, not Vijay. Okay, I mean do the task, not Vijay. Okay. Only if you guys are not seeing the YouTube video and Vijay is finding it out and he is not satisfied with the documents you have presented, only that time you can ask Vijay to do the task. Okay. Otherwise, people who never watched the YouTube video, if Vijay is finding it out, that guy will that guy has to do the task. Okay, Vijay is going to tell who are all the guys who never watched the YouTube video. They are just telling like I have watched and all. Okay, that he will catch up that guy, and Vijay is going to tell that guy has to do the task. That is tomorrow. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will be having 3-4 sessions. 3-4 session means continuous session. One is doubt session. The second one is case study. The third one is mock call session, a small mock call session, and the task also. Okay. Yeah, task also comes under the training session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine. So yes, Shivakumar or what is it? Who is it? Shivakumar, right? Srinivasan. Sorry. Srinivasan. Hey, come on. He ask him to sit here. Yes. So, Shivakumar, Srinivas, you want to choose anyone or you want the guys to choose dance or song? Dance or dancing or singing? Sorry?
Sir, it will come in videos, sir.
No, don't worry. My employee will cut this. Don't worry. If you want, I will privately upload and I will send it to you guys. Okay. Okay. Don't worry, it won't come. But if your guys are requesting, I will put it on YouTube. Okay. Because other centers also should know, right? If someone is helping in the quiz session, they will also get this. Okay. Fine. Let us take the votings later. I don't know. We can have a vote session later, maybe tomorrow. Okay. Or otherwise today also end of the session we can have a voting session. I will just make a voting session only once. They will raise their hands. If many hands raises, it will be because it is because you have done a mistake, right? It has to be because I couldn't analyze whether David has given the proper answer or you have helped him because I don't know, right? I believed him. Okay, but still. That is what, because unless otherwise if something is happening in that way, I won't speak realistic, you know that, right? Yeah. So guys, you can tell them dancing or singing or both or dancing and singing simultaneously. Yeah guys, you can suggest something. Within 10 seconds he has to start, otherwise the second task will add up for him. What?
Sir, wait. I can sing, sir, for the second dance.
I'm sorry, you want Amy Jackson to dance. She is married now, she is having a kid. She is having a kid, guys. Kid. So fine. Guys, any one of you tell me like what is? Yeah, tell me.
I can sing, sir.
You can read.
Sing.
Sing. Okay. So any what's a Hindi song or English or? No. Hey, you are not singing. I don't see any lip movements. Cheating.
Sir, I can sing for 2 lines only, sir.
2 lines. That is not task at all.
Sir, I don't know.
That means you can dance. Even if you don't know, you can dance. Okay, guys, you can start counting. He has to start singing at least for 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Guys, listen. He has to start singing at least for 1 minute. If he is not singing for 1 minute, at least for 45 seconds. If he is not singing, he has to dance. Okay. Guys, you can start counting 10 seconds. If he is not, yeah. No, counting started. The second task will get added. Start singing. Otherwise, second task will add for you.
इश्क इबादत बन ही गया खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे तेरी जरूरत मैं बन
What are you seeing some any girls are coming up from outside on hearing your song and like this you are expecting something, you are looking there or okay, fine, good, very good, kindly give him a good applause now. Yeah, guys, now this is voting session. You want me to upload the complete? No, it is not his. Okay, everyone is raising their hands. No other option because all other centers and even your center should know we should not help our guys in this case. In examination session, okay, in examination session we should not help. But Srinivas, you have sung in a very good way. Okay, it was good actually. You sang in a nice way. Okay, good. I'm giving you a good applause. Fine guys, thank you so much for today. I have taken much of your time. Okay, just have your lunch and then have some entertainment session. Okay, then move for the work whatever I have said. Okay, bye guys, see you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys, thank you.